back to the channel. My name is Vivian, and it's always a pleasure to have you on this channel. Today we are looking at how can you use ChatGPT to improve your coaching business. If you are a coach and you are out there and ChatGPT is changing different sectors, it's helping businesses, writers, creatives, content creators, marketers, and all other sectors improve their businesses. And you're asking, I'm a coach, how can I take advantage of the opportunities offered by ChatGPT to change my business, to improve my business? This video is for you. Stay tuned to the end and you will be able to get some of the nuggets. Here we are looking at 5 top ways in which ChatGPT can help you in your coaching business. If you are new to the channel, as usual, you are a VIP, you are most welcome. Subscribe to our channel, enable notification so that when we create great content that can add value to your business, you would be the first one to know. Check the links in the description for more resources that can help you improve your business as an entrepreneur or as a marketer, as a coach. We are always happy to share more content with you. So let's get into the discussion for today. The first way in which ChatGPT can help you as a coach is it can assist you as a conversation partner. Just think about it. You started, maybe you are still new in the business, or maybe you are trying to improve your business to the next level from where you are right now. And you need someone to be a partner to help you improve your conversation. ChatGPT is here to assist. You can actually use it to practice your communication skills, receive feedback on responses, and it can assist you to improve your coaching career, your coaching capability, and put you ahead of many. Number 2 way in which ChatGPT can help you improve your coaching business is as a writing coach. So ChatGPT can be used to provide feedback on writing, such as emails, reports, and help you to improve your writing skills. So this is one of the core capabilities of ChatGPT, and you can use it, especially when you use it correctly, it can change your whole coaching business. Go out there and explore. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, just go subscription. Right now, it's free. It's created by OpenAI, and it is still free to the public. We don't know how long it will remain free. And so take advantage of what it offers right now and improve your business. So you can just go to Google or check the links in the description and you would see ChatGPT and how you can start your free account and begin to explore the endless opportunities offered by this. So number 3 is you can actually use ChatGPT as a language coach. What that means is you can use it to improve and practice your language skills by simulating conversations in different languages. So it would help you in this capacity to improve your language proficiency and make you better as a coach. And number 4 way in which it can use you or ChatGPT can improve your coaching business is as a motivational coach. So you can actually use it to generate motivational quotes for yourself that can messages that can help you stay focused in your business, motivated towards your goal, and you can take your motivational coaching business to the next level through the use of ChatGPT. And finally, there are many more ways, but in this video, I'm just sharing 5 ways by which you can use ChatGPT to improve your coaching business. So number 5, before I talk to you about number 5, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, please enable notification, please share your comments in the chat. And if you have any topics that you want us to talk about on Common Sense Africa, we look at everything from a common sense perspective. If you want to be a guest on our channel, let us know. We look at marketing from a common sense. We look at entrepreneurship. We look at different things from a common sense perspective. And it's always great to have new views and comments and reviews so that we keep the conversation growing and we get better. Remember, the Bible says in Ecclesiastes chapter 10 and in verse 10, the dollar they ask, the more the muscles. Use your head. On Common Sense Africa, we are looking at ways in which we can improve our head, improve our knowledge, and use our head better in this fast-going world. So let's get back to the conversation of the day and looking at how to use ChatGPT to improve your coaching business. Finally, number 6 for today's video is as a life coach. You can use ChatGPT to simulate life coaching, provide advice, guidance on any topic, whether it's career, whether it's relationship, personal development. And this is a mind-blowing capability that can take your coaching business to the very next level. If this has been making sense to you, just to highlight in this video, we have looked at 5 top ways in which you can use ChatGPT to improve your coaching business. Number 1, you can use it as a conversation partner. Number 2, you can use it as a writing coach. The next one, you can use it as a language coach. You can use it as a motivational coach. And finally, you can use it as a life coach. If this has been useful to you, please continue to share content, continue to look into the description for more valuable resources that can help improve your business in this era of ChatGPT. It is here to stay. It is changing businesses. It is changing lives. And you are not an exception. Until next time, be good, and I will see you in the next video.